Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show the real process of working with carbon fiber. I want to show the real workshop process, the preparation, the mistakes, the details, the small secrets, the techniques, and the amount of work that stands behind every finished carbon part. And of course, real production secrets. Thank you so much for your views, likes, comments, and subscriptions. Your support really motivates me to make more videos and show more details from inside the carbon fiber workshop. In this video, I will show you one of the techniques for creating a clean and perfect seam of a carbon fiber steering wheel rim. This one of the small details that makes the final result look professional. On this channel, I don't want to show only beautiful final photos. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the technologies for making a carbon fiber steering wheel. We are going to work with steering wheels, prepare the surface, remove the old leather, make the base ready for carbon fiber, apply the carbon fabric, make the seam and steering wheel rim, and later go through the finishing process. This video is long because I want to show the real process, not just a quick 15-second clip. Now let's start with the first stage, removing the old leather from the steering wheel. The first thing we need to do is remove the leather from steering wheel. This is very important because we need a clean base for the next stages. The leather is not suitable as a final surface under carbon fiber. It can move, it can absorb glue, it can create uneven areas, and it can make the final surface unstable. So we carefully cut the old leather and remove it from the rim of the steering wheel. At this stage, we need to be careful not to damage the base too much. We don't want to cut too deep. We don't want to destroy the shape of the wheel. When the leather is removed, we can see the real shape of the steering wheel underneath. Sometimes the surface is not perfect. Sometimes there is old glue, soft material rubber, foam, or small uneven areas. All of this needs to be cleaned and prepared. The next stage is surface preparation. We need to clean the surface, sand it, remove old glue. After sanding and cleaning, we can start preparing for the carbon fabric. For this technology, we use spray adhesive to hold the carbon fabric in place. Spray adhesive helps us fix the carbon fiber, so it doesn't move while we are shaping it around the steering wheel. But you need to be careful with spray glue. You don't want to use too much. If you apply too much glue, the fabric can become dirty, heavy, or difficult to adjust. You need enough glue to hold the carbon, but not too much that it destroys the clean work. Also, we use a shape scissors when we cut the carbon fiber. All stages you should make very carefully, because clear coat will not fix bad preparation, polishing will not fix a bad seam. That is why the full process matters. This is one of the main skills in carbon fiber, understanding how the fabric behaves. Carbon fiber fabric has its own character. You need to feel it with your hands and control it when you make carbon fiber around the rim. So for this type of technology, we use transparent tape and cut carbon through all line. More process of cutting and more technologies of cutting the perfect seam. Also at the back side of the rim, I will show in next videos. This is one of the old technologies which we used around 6 years ago. And we made by this technology a lot of steering wheels. So now, instead installing transparent tape, you can use on all the rim transparent fixing spray glue. When you installed all the carbon fiber, around the rim, you can start with cutting process. Every step in this process is very important. So you should control all lines around the rim. And finally, they should connect in straight lines. So here you can install transparent tape and carefully cut around the rim. It's better to use long scissors to control a straight line when you cut carbon fiber. Some parts of this video I took from some lessons for carbon fiber, like around 6 years old content. So next videos I'm planning to make better quality of picture. But in this video, it's more important the technology than quality of the video. So after you installed a clear tape, you should make a first layer of resin. We use different types of resins like epoxy resin, vinyl ester resin. And after fixing carbon fiber by first layer of resin, we should remove our transparent tape. You should make this carefully. After first layer of resin, the resin helps us to remove transparent tape. Because fixing layer of transparent tape becomes in this time very easily to remove, because this layer of glue on transparent tape is disappearing after we use resin on steering wheel rim. You should carefully check everything, and after, if you like the seam, you can continue to make more layers with your type of resin, which you use, epoxy resin, vinyl ester resin, or any another type of resin. You can work in one time with like 4 or 5 steering wheels and make step by step. Some steering wheels you install carbon fiber, some steering wheels you prepare to cut, some steering wheels you prepare for clear coat, and some steering wheels also you can make polishing, final polishing in one time. In 1 week, it's possible to work with 10 or 15 steering wheels in one time, step by step. So now we use sanding paper for preparation, for final step, for clear coat. We carefully scratch by sanding paper. So we use sanding paper like, first of all, P180, P240, P320, P400, and P600. Also, we can use finally P800 before we will have a final step for clear coat. So we use good quality clear coat, like for cars. You can choose any clear coat in your region where you live. Sometimes we use 3 layers of clear coat for steering wheel rim. After, the better way is to wait like around 5-7 days before you can prepare surface for polishing. If you have in one time in work like around 10 steering wheels, so you can wait some more time because clear coat needed more time. We can use like spray gun 1.3. This is the better solution for clear coat for carbon fiber steering wheels and a lot of parts. Your workshop place depends like on your how much money you have for work. You can buy a cheap spray gun or more expensive spray gun. So if you just start to work with carbon fiber, it's doesn't matter too much. Like cheap spray guns can work not so long time sometimes. You can use maybe 6 months, 1 year, 2 years before the cheap spray gun will have the problems. So now we make a clear coat by spray gun. And after I will stay these steering wheels like for 5-7 days in the garage. And only after 5-7 days, we will start to polish steering wheels rims. Even if you don't have the perfect workshop, you can make all carbon fiber processes in some usual type of garages like this, even if you don't have very expensive spray guns and another materials. Of course, some materials should be good quality, like clear coat, resin, carbon fiber. Without good material, it's not possible to make perfect steering wheel. So finally, we should check everything and also continue final steps very carefully, not to damage like fresh clear coat, and also wait as much time as possible before we will polish the steering wheel. Because when clear coat start to harden, it's not like process of harden of resin. If you will wait more time for clear coat, this will be better in the future for your steering wheel. The best solution if you have like around 10 or 14 days for all work with steering wheel. Just wait some time and material becomes fully hard. After checking steering wheel, if you like your final result, you can install on the car. Some of these steering wheels made by people who came to my workshop for carbon fiber courses, how to make steering wheels, how to cut. This is first steering wheels of people who never made before carbon fiber, and the result, the final step and final result, I think it looks perfect. Step by step, when you will have more and more experience, you will make better and better quality in all steps of production carbon fiber parts. We make like training courses online and sometimes in workshop, so you can contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram and we can discuss like training courses. Like steering wheels, lamination and wrapping carbon fiber parts of interior like this, and also molds, vacuum infusion, everything. So the next step is to install leather on steering wheel and we can look the final result of our work. So guys, if you watch this video until the end, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. I know this video is long, but I believe that long videos are important for people who really want to learn and understand the process. If you are serious about carbon fiber, this kind of detailed content can help you much more than short clips. Because here you can see the real sequence, the real hand movements, the real problems, and the real logic behind the work. Please write in the comments, what do you want to see the next? More steering wheels or carbon fiber molds, vacuum bagging, clear coat and polishing? And of course, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more carbon fiber production, more custom parts, more workshop secrets, and more detailed tutorials. Your support helps this channel grow, and the more the channel grows, the more detailed videos I can make for you. Thank you for your watching, thank you for subscribing and supporting this real carbon fiber work. See you in the next video, guys.